Alright, let's look at the homework 4.4, problem number 5. Alright, so let's solve this log equation. Alright, so first we're going to try to put these two logs together. So you have natural log of, alright, so we have, let's see, it's x times x plus 6. I'm going to go ahead and multiply. X times x is x squared. Plus x times 6, so it's a 6x, right? And then this is equal to 0. All right. Then what we can do is we want to get rid of natural log. So you have, I'm going to start with e is equal to e, right? Then we can raise e to the left-hand side, so natural log of x squared plus 6x. And I'm going to raise e to the right-hand side, so e to the 0. All right? So by the inverse property, we can see that e to the natural log, they cancel out each other. So you have x squared plus 6x left over. So left-hand side becomes x squared plus 6x, right? And e to the 0 is 1. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 1 so that we can put negative 1 on the left. So you become, it's 0 on the right hand side. All right, then we just need to use the quadratic formula to find x. So here, we know that in this case, a is equal to 1 because coefficient of x squared is 1. B is equal to 6, which is this guy right here. And c is equal to negative 1. Right? So using the quadratic formula, we have x equals negative c, so it's negative 6 plus or minus square root of b squared, so 36 minus 4 times 1 times negative 1, so it's going to be plus 4 over 2 times a, which is 1, so it's 2, right? So this is going to be, let's see, so this is a square root of 40. Right, so this is going to be, let's see, it's 4, so I'm going to pull out 2 and square root of 10, right? So if you, let's see, divide negative 6 by 2, so it's a negative 3. We have a plus or minus divide 2, so it's a square root of 10. All right, but negative 3 minus square root of 10 is a negative value. But the natural log of x cannot take a negative value because natural log of a negative value is not defined. So we can only take the positive one. So the correct answer is negative 3 plus square root of 10. All right, so let's type it in. X is equal to negative 3 plus square root of 10. Alright, so let's check the answer, submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.